Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to design a homepage in WordPress. So let's begin. Alright, so we are going to design the homepage in the WordPress in the easiest way. Okay, so how can you do this? That is really easy. First of all, we're going to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin. And here we have to search for Elementor. Alright, so as you can see here, we have already installed and activated the Elementor. And after that, what we have to do, we have to install starter templates. Okay, so we have already installed and activated the starter templates as well. So now what we have to do, we have to go inside the appearance and click on the themes. So in the themes, we are actually using the Astro theme here. So if you don't know how to install the Astro theme, you're gonna go inside add new theme here, and here you will basically search Astro theme, and then you will be able to see Astro theme at the top of the search. So as we have already installed and activated this, that is why you don't see the option of the install now. Otherwise, you will be able to see the option of install just like this. So after this, what we have to do, we have to go inside the starter templates here in the appearance. So we're going to click on this. And here we have to click on build with templates. Alright, so here as you can see here, we are having a lot of the different templates that are pre-made for us. So now what we have to do, we just have to import them. So how can you do this? We're going to simply go here with this one. And here we can simply upload our site logo. So let's click on upload file here. So I'm going to go here with this one. Let's click on select here. And now you'll be able to see we are having our logo here. And here we can also change the color palette here. So I'm going to go here with the blue. Alright, so this is looking good. And we can also go here with the purple. But I think I'm going to go here with the blue one. Okay, so let's click here on the blue one. And now what we have to do, we have to click on continue. Let's click on skip this part. Alright, so here we're going to simply click on submit and build my website. And this is going to take some time. It depends on the speed of your internet. Alright, so as you can see here that our website is ready. So now we have to click on view your website. And here you will be able to see our website. But obviously this is not something that we want. We want to have our own content onto this. So how can you do this? That is really easy. We just have to go inside edit page. And here you will be able to see the option of edit with Elementor. So we have to click on this. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside the Elementor editor, and you can see this, we are having the 4 different containers. So the first one is actually the hero section. Alright, so and the second one would be the services. Alright, so after that, we're gonna have the about us section. And in the last, we're gonna get talk to us or contact us section. So let's write down contact us. Perfect. So now what we have to do, we have to adjust this as per our need. Okay, so we're going to put our content here, okay, based on what our website is. So we are having a kind of service-based website. So in the hero section, I'm going to change the text here. So this would be build efficient websites. Okay, so here in the button, we're going to have contact us, or we can also use, I think we can go here with the explore. And here I'm going to add the icon here. So let's click on the icon library. Okay, so I'm going to go here with this icon, or we can go here with this one. So let's click on insert. And I'm going to put this after the text here. This is looking good. And on the button, I also need to make this look rounded. So we're going to add some border radius. So let's go here with the 20px, or we can go here with the 30px. Yes, this is looking fine. So now what we have to do, we're going to change the background image here. Okay, so let's click on the hero section and let's go into the style. And from here, we're going to change the image here. So let's click on the image. Alright, so now in the media library, we're going to scroll down and I'm going to go here with this image. Alright, so let's click on select. And now you'll be able to see the different background image here. Okay, but you can see here, it is making our text look less visible because of the less color contrast. So now what we're going to do here, we actually have to go inside the border overlay and we're going to add the color here in the border overlay. So that would be the dark color. And here we have to increase our opacity. I think this is looking better. All right. And here what we have to do, we actually have to change the text color here of our heading. So let's change this to the white color. That will look better. And similarly, we're going to change our color to the light blue color. Okay, that would look perfect. All right, so I think this color would look fine. So let's copy this, and we're going to have the same color on our button. So let's go here, and we're going to add the background color, and this will be this light blue color. And obviously we need to change the text color here, so that would be black. All right, so now this is looking way more better. And on the efficient websites, what we have to do, we can actually go into the typography and we can increase the weight here. So this would look bold. And now this is looking better. All right. So now we're going to go back into our section again, and we'll actually increase here the background overlay opacity. So let's increase the value here. Now this is looking better. All right. And now what we have to do, we're going to actually go inside the layout, and we're going to change this to 80VH. Okay. Now this is looking better. Okay. So after this, what we have to do, now we have to change the images here. So we're going to simply change the images here. And here we're going to go here with this one. So let's click on select. And similarly, we're going to change the second image here. Click on the choose image. And here we have to click on this image here. Let's just click on select. And after this, we're going to have our last image. So let's click on the choose image again. And here I'm going to go here with this image. So let's click on select again. And now you can see here we are having our images here. Similarly, if you wanted to update the text here, we can update the text here, but I think we are fine here. And after that, we have the about us. So if you want to change the content here, you can simply change the content from here. And also in the services, if you want to change the content, you're going to simply click here. And from here, you can change the content, and you can also change the styling of the content from here. So here in the services, I'm going to actually go here with the dark blue color. So let's click on the style and go into the text color. Let's just go here with the dark blue color here. I think this will look better. All right, so I think we're going to go here with this one. Yes, this is looking better. So I'm going to simply copy this. And we have to do the same thing on other headings here. So let's click on the copy from here. And we actually have to paste the style here. Let's just paste the style here. And we can also do the same thing on this one. Let's just paste the style. This is already in the blue color, but we're going to have the different shade that we have here. So let's copy this style. Let's just change the style here. And we can also change the style of our button. So let's copy this. And let's just change this here as well. Click on the paste style. Now this is looking better. Okay, so in here, what we actually have to do, we have to click on our edit container, and we have to go inside the style, and we have to change the background image here. So in the background image, right now, we only have these options. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on this one, click on select. And here what we have to do, similarly, we're going to add the background overlay. So let's just add this a black color here. So let's click on the color, go for the black color, and here increase the opacity as well, just like before. All right, so now you can see here, this is looking better. And we can go here actually with the 0.6 as well, or 0.7. Okay, so I think the 0.6 is looking good as well. So what we have to do, let's click on our text. We have to go into the style. Let's just change the text color here. And now you can see here, this is looking way more better. All right, so now what we have to, we actually have to change the image here as well. So let's click on the choose image, and let's just go here with this image and click on select. Now this is looking better. So in here, we can actually go inside the advanced settings, and we can change the value of the padding here. That is actually 20 from the each side, but I don't want to have the padding here. So this is going to be without any padding. So this will be 0. Now this is looking better. All right, so one thing that we can try here, we can actually click on our container, and we can add the background color here. So if I just click here into the background tab, we can add the color here. So I'm going to go here with this color. So let's go into the style, and from here, we're going to copy the color, and let's go here into our container, go into the color, change the color here. Okay, and here I can actually decrease the opacity of this, and you can see here this is looking better. Similarly, what we're going to do here, we're going to do the same thing on the About Us section. So I'm going to copy this again, and let's just go into our About Us section, go into the style, go into here the background type, and let's click on the color. And now you will be able to see the color here. Okay, and after this, I think this is looking perfect. So if I just click here on this container here, we're going to go into the advanced settings. Okay, so as you can see here that we are having this white space here, and I don't want to have this white space. So how can we change this? We're going to actually go here into our About Us section, and as you can see here, we're actually having the margin values. So what we're going to do, we're going to actually change this from the margin values to the padding values. So this would be 80 here, and this would be 100 here in the bottom, and we're going to remove the value from the margin. Okay, so also from this one, and similarly we're going to go here and we're going to do the same thing here on our services section. So let's go into the advanced setting, change the value to the padding. So let's just add the 80 here, and let's just add the 80 here, and let's remove these values from here. All right, so now you can see here this is looking way more better, and we have designed our home page. So now let's click on publish, and let's click on preview changes, and now you will be able to see our website here. And this is how our website is looking. So now you're gonna go back here, and we're gonna actually change color of our menu item. So how can we do this? So we're gonna go inside the customize. All right, so here what we have to do, we have to go inside the header builder, and from here what we have to do, we can go inside the site title and logo. All right, so from here I'm gonna simply remove the logo. All right, so here we can also go here with the SVG icon if you wanted to, but right now I only want to go here with the site title. So I'm going to enable this from here. All right, and here we have to add site title visibility. So let's enable this on our desktop size, tablet version, and mobile portrait. So here what we have to do, now we're going to go inside the design. Let's just change the color here of the title. So we're going to actually go here with the white color, and on the hover it's gonna also be white color or a kind of blue, light blue color. Okay, so let's go back here, and here what we have to do, we actually have to publish this. Okay, so after this we're gonna change the color of our menu item. So let's click on here, go into the design, and here we have to change the color of our text. So that would be the white color, and here what we have to do, we have to change the hover color. So that would be the light blue, and this will also be a kind of light blue. And now what we have to do, we have to publish this. So now let's just refresh the page. All right, so now you will be able to see that we are having the white color on our menu items, and we are also having our site title. All right, so now what we have to do, we would actually copy the link of our website, and we're going to open this on the new site. And now this is how our home page is looking. All right, and this is how we can actually build the home page in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.